Welcome back to the Detailing Business Channel. Today's video, I'm going to do a product review, what I think of a fairly new product from Meguiars. Meguiars Hybrid Ceramic Wax. I have been using this product for the past year. Honestly, my opinion of the Hybrid Ceramic Wax, 100% game changer. I can't describe how easy it is and how time-saving it is for the detailing business. So we're going to get into how you do the initial application. I'm going to show you what the water beading looks like after it's been sitting for 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you the maintenance application. Okay guys, so this vehicle is part of a maintenance detail plan. I'm out here every 2 weeks to detail this car. The only thing the exterior gets is a quick wash, and then I maintain it with the hybrid ceramic wax. Initially, this detail plan started out in April. Right now it's September. In April I did a full detail, which included the polish and everything, and I did the initial application of hybrid ceramic wax. Directions for that is right here, initial application, and then I just maintained it every 2 weeks with just 2 or 3 light sprays on each panel, and then rinse it off. So I'll show you what the water beading looks like after sitting for 2 weeks. Look at that, haven't even washed it yet. That's pretty good, in my opinion. Meguiars Hybrid Ceramic Wax, game changer for me. So easy to maintain vehicles. So let's go over the initial application. First thing, of course, we gotta do is do our wash. What am I using as a wash soap? Meguiars Hyper Wash. And then I just keep my clay towel right in the wash bucket. And I go right into the clay while it's still all lubed and soapy. Do your rinse. Now the directions say while it's still wet for the initial application, apply a generous amount. Got it? Take my drying towels. These are brand new microfiber towels, Costco towels. Ooh, Costco towels. Well, they're brand new. Rub it in, dry it off. Look at that. That's so easy. In the sunshine, and it's streak free. You believe that? Game changer, I'm telling you. Meguiars, thank you. All right, so that was the initial application. That is the application that I did in April. Now the maintenance application that I do every 2 weeks is after you wash, do our rinse. Look at that. Now, maintenance application, less of an amount. Maybe that, good enough. And then you simply just rinse it off. The hybrid ceramic wax is activated by water. So when you rinse it off, it's actually spreading it all over the surface. Look at that. Then you take your drying towel and just dry it off. Typically I wash the whole car and then just go around, spray a few sprays on each panel and rinse it off and then dry, and I'm done. Out of here. Takes about 20 minutes to wash this car. And look at the protection it leaves. This, and combined with the spot-free water that I told you about in the last video, how to get spot-free water, check that out. Spot-free water for free.